Here's a pair of the Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speakers. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Chromebook via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these speakers into pairing mode. We'll know that these are in pairing mode when the light over here is blinking blue, 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 blue. Let's first turn the speakers on, press and hold this power button for a few seconds. Okay, now once it turns on, you want to wait for another few seconds and see if this light here is blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, so wait a little bit. All right. Well, mine is blinking blue, blue, blue here. So now it's in pairing mode. That's what I want. If yours is showing a solid blue light, you may be connected to a different device around you. What you can do is simply just tap on this Bluetooth button, and then it should start blinking blue. Okay, anyway, we're blinking blue here. We're in pairing mode. Let's shoot over to our Chromebook here. We're going to go directly to the settings, Bluetooth settings. We're going to go to settings. We're going to select on Bluetooth, and then make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then we're going to tap up here. It says pair new device. Now that line that's going across there, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range or so. It's in pairing mode, it's blinking blue. It did find the Soundcore 2, so let me just select it. It says pairing. Voila, we're connected, ready to go. You can see we're connected, and we have 70% battery juice on these speakers here. Now, if you had any kind of issues, any connection issues, you can always factory reset these speakers as well. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.